Hi guys! Today we are gonna read Want to Buckle My Shoe. This book is made by 써니브레인, Mother Song, and it's a number part. What can we see from the book? Look, there's a kiwi. There are kiwis. 1, 2, 3, 3 kiwis. And what are they doing? They are buckling their shoe. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Next page. There's a QR code over here so you can watch the video anytime you want. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 2, shoe. 2, shoe. It rhymes. Look, Kiwi is buckling my shoe. Thank you, Kiwi. Next page. 3, 4, knock at the door. 3, 4, knock at the door. 4, door. 4, door. It rhymes. 3, 4, Kiwi is knocking the door. Knock, knock. Open the door, please. Next page. 5, 6. Pick up sticks. 5, 6. Pick up sticks. 6 sticks. 6 sticks. It rhymes. Kiwi is picking up the stick. Where is Kiwi flying? Let's see. 7, 8, lay them straight. 7, 8, lay them straight. 8, straight. 8, straight. So lay them straight. Lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Wow, 10, hen. 10, hen. It rhymes. And look, Kiwi is out from the egg. Cute Kiwi. And that's the end of the story. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. The end. Bye. So we finished making it. As you can see, there's a one roundy round something, and there is a little card, a circle card. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And there are 10 sticks. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. So as you can see, there's a little tip came out from the this wood, and you put one wood stick inside the wood. 1. Okay, but what if it's 3? Let's put 3 in here. So you put like that. 3. Then it's 1, 2, 3. Very good. So 3 wood sticks in the wood. Then what if it's 8? Then again, from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 wood sticks in the wood. Okay, it's simple as that. So you count sticks, or you can play with your chopsticks or any kind of straws or long stuff, and help your kid, help them to count 1 to 10. Like if it's 10, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in the wood. Or maybe if your kid can count more than 10, then 11, 12. That's another option to you. I hope you guys understand how to play this, and hope you guys enjoy. See you next time. Bye!